Vastu for bedrooms, 14 tips and remedies that will help you sleep well. Hello friends, here are 14 simple tips and remedies, according to Vastu for bedrooms, for you to follow. Direction of a bedroom, according to Vastu. The master bedroom should ideally be located in the southwest corner of the home, as it is linked with good health, longevity, and prosperity. Northwest is also a good option and suits the guest bedroom or your children's bedroom best. Bedrooms in the southeast or northeast corners must be avoided as these can lead to health issues and conflicts at home. Bed direction, shape, and position, as per Vastu. Place the bed in the southwest zone. Ensure that when you're sleeping, your head is in the south or in the east. This is how your body soaks up positive vibrations. Sleeping with your head in the north is a strict no-no, as per Vastu. It is recommended that the bed be made of wood, and it is either shaped like a square or a rectangle. Don't place the bed directly under a beam. However, if you can't help it, then it is a good idea to design a false ceiling for the bedroom. Don't place the bed too close to the walls, there must be enough space to access the bed from both sides. Mirrors, wardrobes, and dressers. Place wardrobes in the southwest area of the bedroom, in such a way that the door swings open to the east or to the south. Mirrors in the bedroom should not face the bed. It's not considered auspicious as per Vastu to have a reflection of your sleeping self. The northern or eastern wall is a good place for mirrors. Keep valuables in the north direction as this is where Kuber or the Lord of Wealth resides. Do you have a dresser with a mirror? Place the dresser next to the bed instead of facing the bed. Declutter the bedroom and only keep items that have a positive impact. If your bed has a storage option, use it for useful things, and those full of happy memories, so that you are well rested at night. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.